Hi guys, it's mid-November and I have been planning my car build. It's going to be very basic. I've put some new insulation in as the old carpet was quite rotten. So I've used basic bubble wrap and wadding and new rubber matting so that it doesn't get all damp with the dogs. I've used a bathroom cupboard and some plywood to make a little kitchen unit. Put a little drawer in, and I've got a chopping board that slots in at the top. This is a very quick run through just so that you can see what I'm doing. I will go into it in more detail once it's all finished. This is the second unit being constructed in my living room. The dogs are fine, as you can see here, playing. I hate the flat. I hate being in the flat. I miss being in the car, and so my plan is in the new year to get back out travelling. It's got a little cupboard on the side, and then it's got a place to hold my electric cool box. And when it goes in the car, this goes on the passenger side, and then the kitchen goes on the opposite side, and I've got a nice space in between, which I can use for the doggies or just some extra storage. When not working on the car, I decided to make myself a Christmas tea cosy. Tried out my new slow cooker, making some stew and dumplings. And my favourite hobby is needle felting, and I've been making a few little brooches to give as Christmas gifts. The car now has some roof rails and a roof box, and this was only a short video just to keep you updated. But I thought you might like to have a look at a recent little trip up onto Dartmoor. I'll be making a proper video of my new car camping setup as soon as it's all finished, and I'll walk you through it all. But in the meantime, I'll try to do some update videos, and I've still got some holiday snaps from Scotland to show you.